Today's E-Rigging project video takes us down in South Louisiana, where we help a close friend install a sunshade over a backyard patio and pool. Below you'll find a list of the E-Rigging products that we used in today's project. The first step in our project required us to install two stainless steel shoulder eyebolts into two separate pre-installed 4x4 posts. The inside eyebolts will be used as attachment points for the cable assemblies, which will be used to suspend the sunshade over the pool and patio. The outside eyebolts will be used as separate attachment points for the cable assemblies, providing structural support for the two posts. With the eyebolts installed, we screwed in earth ground anchors, which would be used as ground attachment points for the cable assemblies. Next, we connected one end of a stainless steel jaw and jaw turnbuckle into the eyebolt and connected the other end to the cable assembly, and then connected the cable assembly to the earth ground anchor. We repeated the same process to the other cable assembly, and lastly applied tension to the cable assemblies and post by tightening the turnbuckles. With both support cable assemblies installed, the next step in our project required us to install the other two cable assemblies, which would be used to suspend the sunshade over the pool and patio. We connected each assembly to stainless steel jaw and jaw turnbuckles, which were connected to the eyebolts we previously installed. Once everything was in place, we tensioned each cable assembly with the turnbuckles, attached the sunshade to each cable run, and lastly, pulled the sunshade over the pool and patio. Visit our website for more information on the products we use in today's video, and also check out our YouTube channel for instructional videos on E-Rigging's products.